Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can make OneBlock SkyBlock server in Minecraft Aternos for free. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, if you already started, you need to stop your server, and then you need to go to worlds. Then you can upload a OneBlock SkyBlock here. So then you just need to open up Google and write OneBlock, select this one block. Then you need to go to files, game versions, select 1.6.1. and then download file. Wait until download process starting. As you can see here, it will take up to 5 seconds, and then it should be downloaded. Then you need to go back to Aternos here. If you're already running basically server with a world, download it, because once you upload a OneBlock SkyBlock, your previous save will gone. So make sure to save it, and then you just need to press upload zip file, then find OneBlock. You don't need to unzip it or anything here. Wait until upload process basically be here, right? Once it's uploaded, you can enable force upgrade and optimize, and then simply you just need to go to server and then start a server, right? Wait for a couple of seconds until it starts. Once it started, you can copy the URL of your server, and then you need to go to Minecraft Launcher and go to and launch Minecraft. Then once you're in the game, you just need to press multiplayer here and then add a server already added. So I just need to go here. As you can see here, now basically OneBlock SkyBlock server is created. So yeah, that's basically it. And if I help you out, please press like and subscribe for more. Take care.